In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a word to your Microsoft Word dictionary. This is a quick way to stop Word from flagging names, brand terms, technical jargon, or other legitimate words you use all the time. By the end, that distracting red squiggly line will be gone, and Word will recognize your term automatically in future documents on this device. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word. You can use any document, an existing file or a blank one. The process is exactly the same, and you only need to do it once per word. Now type the word you want to add exactly the way you intend to use it. Word spell checker marks unfamiliar or unrecognized words with a red squiggly underline. That underline simply means Word doesn't yet know the term, not that you've made a mistake. Before you add it to the dictionary, pause for a second and make sure the spelling is truly correct. Adding a typo will teach Word to accept the wrong version going forward, so it's worth a quick double check. If you see the red underline, open the context menu on that word. The simplest way is to right-click directly on the underlined word. This brings up a list of options and suggestions related to spelling. Look for the command labeled Add to Dictionary. Click it. That's all there is to it. If you don't immediately see that option, make sure you clicked on the underlined term itself and that word is actually flagging it as misspelled. The Add to Dictionary command only appears when Word thinks the word is unknown. Once you select Add to Dictionary, the red squiggly line disappears right away. From this point on, Word will treat that spelling as correct in this document, and in future documents you create or open on the same profile and device. This saves time and keeps your spell check focused on real mistakes instead of flagging words you intentionally use. A couple of quick tips as you work. Be precise about capitalization if it matters for your term, since Word will remember the word as you added it. If you frequently use different forms of a word, like singular and plural, add the exact forms you plan to use. And if you're collaborating, remember that this change applies to your Word dictionary, not to everyone else's, so teammates may still see an underline unless they add the word on their end. That's it. Open your document, type the word, right-click the underlined term, and choose Add to Dictionary. Simple, fast, and no more unnecessary red lines.